Welcome back, HARBROs, to the HARBRO channel. Quality videos, lowest prices. We have the new dollar days starting tomorrow through the 26th, lining up somewhat with Harbor Freight's August parking lot sale. See what goodies you can pick up. If you find this useful or helpful, please consider liking and subscribing, hyping, becoming a channel member. And let's just go ahead and jump in. But of course, how is your parking lot sale going? Look at that. Day 1, day 2 gone. Wednesday, Thursday for ITC early access going on. What have you picked up? I've seen some of the HARBROs send me some pictures of their hauls. Daily thrift and deals at gmail.com. 40% off all clamps. 35% off Quinn hand tools. Let me know what you've gotten so far. Are you going back? Let me know in the comments. But anyways, let's jump into the dollar days. Again, August 13th to the 26th. And we're starting off right with the Pittsburgh's mini pick and hook set. $1, normally $1.89, 47% off. Compared to Craftsman, this is a HARBRO favorite. The mini pick and hook set, 6,000, almost 7,000 reviews. 4.7 stars out of 5, 98%. Mini pick and hook set with the Fortune Cat. Great bargain in price too. Hard items, nice car. Looking for these everywhere. Look at that. Doing some vinyl work. Used to replace the webbing on 2 chairs. Use these for anything. Made a breadboard from 400-year-old wood. That was part of my wall in my house. Removed the plaster from the crevices. Worked well. Use these almost every day. That's enough. Multi-purpose picks. If you didn't know, well, now you know. $1, excellent price to pick them up. We're starting deep dive already. One item. HFT, 4-ounce incredibly strong wood glue. That's not just a description. That's the name of the product. $1, 66% off compared to Gorilla Glue. Excellent comparison. Grant's Microfiber applicator pad with pocket, 6 inches. That's average. I think it's above average. $1, normally $1.49, 32% off compared to Viking. We continue. Pittsburgh's socket rail, your choice of either 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, or 1/2 inch, down to $1, normally $1.99, 49% off. Then we have the Pittsburgh 1/4 inch by 4 inch slotted screwdriver, down to $2, only 19% off. Kind of disappointing for a dollar day item at $2, but it is lifetime warranty. You could do worse, but we've seen better. Paracord 1/8 inch by 50 foot with 160-pound capacity, $2, down from $4, 49% off. And what are the HARBROs using that for? The HARBROs aren't paracording here, are they? 1/8 inch, 50 foot by 160-pound capacity, all-purpose cord for lashing. Sign me up. Stringing and setting guy lines on tents or tarps for the Tarp Bros. 4.7 stars out of 5, 96%. Not true paracord. Interesting. Just bought this one for the first time. It seems sturdy for a small rope, but if you're doing things like paracord bracelets with kids, which I'm doing, it's not something you can use like a real paracord with the little strings inside. Interesting. No braided strands, but 5 stars. Perfect for camping. Use this paracord to make a handle on my walking stick. I really like paracord. I've been using paracord for years for camping, fishing, making bracelets and dog collars. Use paracord for tarp holders to hold the cover. I forgot my rope. No problem with this great product. Boom, bingo, bango, bongo. It's down to $2, 50% off. Basically, solid deal. Retractable razor blade scraper, $2, down from $3.49, 42% off. Little mini scraper there. Hallmaster 5/8 inch by 3 inch hitch pin with clip. Also $3, down from $4, 24% off. Pittsburgh's lifetime warranty 8-ounce stubby hammer. Your choice of either claw or ball peen. $3, down from $4, 24% off. More Pittsburgh. 12-inch quick release bar clamp. This is lifetime warranty as well. That's always the excellent deal maker there. $3, down from $4.49, 33% off the 12-inch quick release bar clamp. But, and that's a big but, we have 40% off all clamps right now. 40% off all clamps. So 33% is solid, but you'll have the week and the weekend, and most likely an extended parking lot sale next weekend to get these at 7% more off. Western Safety high performance UV safety glasses, your choice of color, either smoke or clear, $4 down from $5, 19% off. HFT 5 foot 6 inch by 7 foot 6 inch camouflage all-purpose weather resistant 5 mil tarp, $4, only $6, 33% off for the Tarp Bros. We continue the HFT multi-purpose tarp clips. They got some tarp accessories going on. So this is a tarp themed dollar days. HFT multi-purpose tarp clips 4-pack, $4, normally $5, not the biggest discount, 19% off. We have Gordon, a Gordon alert. The folding lock back utility knife, $4, normally $7, 42% off. That's a killer deal. That's an excellent deal. Let's see how much the HARBROs actually love it. $7 normally. Gordon folding utility knife has a locking back for safety while cutting. Quick change blade mechanism means less downtime. Okay, we love it. 4,200 reviews, 4.7 stars out of 5. 96% will recommend. Work great to remove stuck paper. Do yourself a favor and get one. It even has a little instruction guide here. I've had several utility knives and they all suck except for this Gordon. The blade has never fallen out. It locks into place. Pocket clip, had theirs since 2019. This is back in 2020. All right. They're saying new design is garbage. Great tool. Used it for the first time today, 4 stars. Definitely took a bunch of pictures. Some models better than others. Okay, so there's slightly different models. Interesting. This is back in 2020 though. 4 stars out of 5. Maybe we need some new reviews on these Gordon. It says didn't even last 12 hours. Best box cutter in history. Okay. Well then one of the important questions is what's the warranty? 90-day warranty. So if it didn't last 12 hours, go get yourself a new one or just return it. $7 down to $4, 42% off. Tough deal to pass on. 105 foot by 0.94 inch automotive performance masking tape, $4, 19% off. Pittsburgh's trim and molding tool set, 5-piece, $5, normally $9, 44% off. Vanguard's 10 foot by 16 and 3 gauge indoor outdoor extension cord, $5, $8, normally 37% off. These are pretty handy. The US General 18 inch by 72 inch non-slip toolbox solid liner, $5, down from $8, 37% off. Most everyone has some toolboxes. Make sure that all the drawers are lined. Well, just as best as you can. 37% off is excellent. Badland ATV utility winch mounting plate, $6, 24% off. Pittsburgh's 12-inch file set, 5-piece, down to $6, normally $9, 33% off is really good. Braun, we got a Braun alert in the dollar days. Braun 300 lumen magnetic pocket work light, $6, normally $8, 24% off is solid. We're used to seeing Braun be discounted up to 40% off in all honesty, but we'll still check it out. 300 lumen magnetic pocket light, magnet there on the bottom, 2-mode compact magnetic pocket work light, produces 300 lumens of wide area light anywhere you need it. And the real proof is in the pudding. 4.6 stars out of 5. 94% would recommend. Junk. Turns on by itself. I don't know why. Great light for my Blackstone. Look at that. Great use. Is it? Oh, there's magnets appears on the top as well. Or I'm lying. They've attached it from the sides. Just right. Perfect for service work. Great lights for my Blackstone again. Not too many pictures. Need some updated pictures. Anybody have these? It seems solid. Be nice at 40% off. But here we are. $6, normally $8, 24% off. Then we have Luminar Outdoor 30-inch solar LED garden decorative lights, 3-pack, $7, down from $9, 22% off. Titanium welding gloves, large, $8, 33% off, down from $12. $8 is solid. And then last but not least, the Merlin 5-in-1 safety coupler, $9, normally $13. Wild for a coupler, 30% off. And we still got the dollar days going on today, last day. If you need to pick up some funnels or some clips for some chips, battery ratchet wrench, you got till end of day today for the old dollar days, but new dollar days are here. Let me know what you think. Any of these solids? Again, I feel like there's a variety. Someone's looking at these dollar days and switching it up a little bit, which I appreciate. Anyways, I hope your parking lot sale's going great. As usual, happy harbor freighting. Good luck. May all your stores be in stock. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.